Okay, hello y'all. Guys, we're gonna take a look at this practice worksheet. All right, we're in the bottom folder, in the orange folder. Here, I'll go back to today's. This is what today's folder looks like. And I haven't quite got it done yet, so there might be something else in there. And it's a little bit dull right now because I haven't published it yet. It looks like that, and we're going into the orange folder on the bottom. All right, this is the practice worksheet right here. But before I click on that, I'm going to click on this link. We're going to open up Desmos, the absolute value transformation calculator. All right, it's already set up for you. I got it so it's the parent function here, and for some reason this keeps going CD. I want it to say HK. Let's change this to a K. This outside number is K, so make sure you change this to a K. All right, you got to change that D to a K. And then let's come in here and change the C to an H. So make sure on the slider down here, you change that C to an H. Look, you don't have to do that. I just want it to look exactly like our formula, the A on the outside. This is absolute value is what that means. That's the function in Desmos, how it shows up. And we're just going to draw each of these. I'm coming back to the top here to click on our tab, and we're going to open up the worksheet. You don't have to print it. You don't have to hand it in. Use it to practice. All right, here's the first one. This says y equals x plus 2. See that? So let's go back here. X minus h. So h is minus 2. So just come back to where right here. See, it says minus 2 right here. You see that? All right, the k is 0. There is nothing on the outside of the absolute value. Remember, when this says plus 2, that means the h is minus 2. Don't forget that. Anything else I got to change there? That's it. So here's our graph. It looks like this. So find the one that looks like that right there. All right. It's this one right here, D. All right. Let's do number 2. This says x plus 1 with the 1 on the outside. So inside here, the h is 0. There's nothing else inside here besides the x. And the outside is 1. The k is 1. So let's go back to Desmos. I'm going to put the h back to 0. Right there. Oops, right there. And now the k was, what was it? The k was 1. So let's move this up to where it's 1. Right? We just move it up. See, it slid up 1. And there's our graph. And that's what it should look like right there. So we'll go back to the worksheet and find it. That's right there. That's it. It's B. Yep, that's it. All right, number 3. Minus 3 plus 2. See that? Let's go to our Desmos. So minus 3 means it's plus 3. What was it again? Yep, minus 3 means the k is plus 3, or the h. Do the opposite of what's inside, exactly what's outside, plus 2. So this is plus 2, right there. There's our graph. It's not upside down or anything. Nope. So which one looks like this? Over 3, up 2. Over 3, up 2. This one right there. Over 3, up 2. Right there, it's C. Okay? All right, number 4. There's a negative on the outside. And then plus 1 on the inside. Remember, the opposite of what's inside. If that says plus 1, that means we move our slider to negative 1. So that's what I'm going to do. And move this one to negative 1. and nothing on the outside, so I got to move this to 0. And what else? Yeah, this had a negative, so this is -1. So A is -1. So the outside here, this A has to go back to -1 right there. Oops, right there. It's upside down. So it's back 1 and it's upside down. So try to find it. Right there. It's A. Yep. All right. Number 5. Negative. That's good. We're already there. Inside is 0. And this is the one inside, so I'm putting it back to 0. Outside is 1. So I'll put this to 1. And there it is. Just move it up 1, and it's upside down. So that is D right there, okay? Now we're looking at number 6. And a negative in front. Inside it's +1. So that means we put our slider to -1. This slider goes to -1. Oops, right there. Oops. Outside -2. So put our slider at exactly -2. That's the top. -2 is right there. There we are. You can slide this up and look at it. So it's over 1, down 2, and upside down. Over 1, down 2, upside down. It's A. It's right there. It's A. Yep, that's it. It's A. All right, guys, so you got the answers right here, too, for you. Okay, it's only 6 problems. All right, so I'm going to leave there for a minute and go back. Guys, do the exit ticket now. All right, it's right here. And why don't you just use Desmos? Do just what I just did. All right? Take a look at the problem. It says x minus 4. Just go to Desmos. Start with everything. This starts at 1. Put these at 0. Kind of hard to get them there sometimes. Try your best. It's kind of hard to get it right there. All right, you can slide this down and look at it. And then just put it in there. X minus 4, so put exactly. That means +4. Do the opposite of what's there. This means at +4. It looks like that. So find the answer. I'll give you the first one. All right, guys, use Desmos. See it right there. Yep, that's it right there. Again, when -4 means move 4 to the right because the H is +4. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you.